Hopefully you want to see the story. And when that happens, research has indicated that people may to the context of work. Uh,
I feel like something is missing. I don't know why. Better. Semester 4 over. Like 2 more semesters are left. I think the fact that I have to do 2 more semesters online doesn't sit right with me. I don't want to do 2 more semesters online, but I don't have options. It's like COVID is re-emerging, and I never thought my college life will be like this. Like, never. Yeah, I dreaded traveling like 33 kilometers each day. Oh my god. That was such a hassle. But yeah, still I liked going there and traveling and everything. But I don't know, like, I really miss college because the ambience and like the classroom, the place is also really nice. It looks nice, it feels nice. People are there, you can socialize, you can eat, you can go around, you can sit around the fountains, you can do so many things when you're there. But when you're not there, there isn't much you can do. There are few more errands I need to run, like I need to go to the shop to get my phone fixed, and also a few more things like I need to get a few things fixed. I need to go out. The phone one is really emergency. I cannot do anything without my phone because all my study materials are there and like the contacts and everything. So that's an emergency, and there's some few other things, but the problem is because of COVID we cannot take any public transport, and my father is prohibited by the doctor to use the bike, so he won't be driving. So the only option is walking. We will walk like three or like 3 4. It's like around 5 to 6 kilometers coming back, going and like walking. We have to walk. There's no other option for us left. But okay, I'll just go now. I'll edit a few more clips. We are actually working on chapter drama. By the way, you'll be watching this with the videos are already out. We are like rebranding sort of stuff. So that is hi V, hi BTS. Yeah. Okay, so all of that is going on. Like, I am really busy. People are like, we are at home, we have time. I literally never have time. I have so many projects going on at the same time. Gets me excited. I have like less time, but still, um, so I don't know what to say anymore. I just want to relax a bit, but I can't because I have to meet the deadlines. Not any deadlines of university, I met that much before. I don't have any projects, any papers, any assignments left. So only the exam is left for which we have to study, which I haven't started studying yet. I have to study. But apart from that, there are no deadlines left for me. I'm happy about that. And I have 100% attendance on all the subjects. Yeah! Yeah. Okay, so I'll get back to work. I'm done with the work. Now I'll go out. Before that, I'll get changed. I transferred all the files. That place is a mess. But that's okay. I don't have time to fix it. Okay.
What a wonderful world.
You know you're having a bad day. First, my results came out and I am not satisfied with the marks. Other things are okay, but the statistics marks are like, for me it's terrible. Like I don't like it. Like other subject it's okay-ish, not nice. As the days are passing by, my marks are just falling down. I think I do better when. Okay, I just brought the printer ink. Again, it got finished. So it's just vlogs are like me changing printer ink, like always. Anyway, so I'm going to change it and take the print out. I tried to take the print out. It would have been done much earlier if the printer had ink. It didn't have ink, and now I'm suffering from the consequences. I'm not feeling nice. The day is not nice. It's rainy in the morning. I couldn't go for a run. I thought I'll track my steps, but my phone is at the shop. I walked like at least 6 kilometers, if not more. I'll change the printer ink. It's just a dirty printer which I'm not bothered with. Tired. Just putting it up to show that I have pants. Lol. Yeah. There is some belt, but I lost the string which has got inside, so I'm not pulling it out.